Morning guys, basically if there's one video of mine that I wish you guys could see, it's this one. This is very important. Guys, take care of yourself, take care of your health, and I'll tell you why. No? The public health is severely under-resourced, like severely under-resourced in terms of staff, in terms of medication, in terms of resources that we need to work, like who are shorter, no? And it's overpopulated. We all know how overpopulated the health system is, no? So I'm gonna give you a few examples of what I mean when I say take care of yourself. You know that you shouldn't drink and drive, for example. You know very well that you shouldn't drink and drive. You drink and then you drive and then you get in an accident. And then you need to go to casualty. You get to casualty, umana di gunshot wounds, umana di step, batho ba stabilwe ko tlapong, ba bangwe ba ba thuntshitse ho tsena wena le wena, you are bleeding o robile maoto because of the accident. And then you need a x-ray. You are number 10. Why imaging x-ray? Renal x-ray machine we have one x-ray machine for lona kaofela. And when I say you are number 10, how number 10 mo pela hao ile batho ba stable, or number 10 mo pela hao ile batho ba leng gore le bona they are critical like you. So I wonder you will bleed out. You will bleed out. And then the second one, I saw a video last week. Yeah, in the video, Arwana has been waiting. We are theater, Baba Botsa or theater it. And yes, the theater di atlala. Di atlala di theater. And a shamba khona postpone operation ya how 3-4 times because of such cases that I just mentioned to hore. Someone was stabbed. Someone bamutunchit. Of course, but jump because those people are critical. We're now stable. I agree with triage. If we can see that you are stable and you can wait, we are going to see the ones that can't wait. Ne? And sometimes maybe the theater room had yatlala. Maybe we have 10 theater rooms, but we only have 3 doctors. We only have 3 doctors ba long hore ba khona o operator ba khona o isha theater. So yes, as much as the room is atlala, we don't have enough manpower who are the operations. No? And then the other one that we can also relate to is HIV. When you engage in risky behaviors, or mono how or msadu has been cheating on you 5 times since you because what's high, and then level 6 HIV. Now let me paint you a picture. Being a chronic patient. Ne? When you are a chronic patient, if you are unfortunate to do more a community is overpopulated. Overpopulated. They only have 1 clinic. Ya ula ka 7, it's all like 4. Ne? So if you stay in that kind of community, otso ka 5 data how ya chronic ya utlo medication wa how chronic ne. Otso ka 5 by 5 se jolo mo queue, but o number 100 ka 5 yona eo. O number 100 here fitla rona ka 7. There's only 2 sisters but like dira chronic on that day. We only have 2 sisters that are doing chronic. We understand that hore yes o fitlile ka 5 but o number 100. Ha o khona le re nka bona patient is 100 really true ka letsatsi. So what our yes as much as o fitlile ka 5 o tlo jika ka 4 here tswalela because harna manpower to re ka le bona kaofela. And that's why little kwata when we go for lunch, when we go for tea, because you feel like we are wasting time. You've been sitting since you fitlile mo ka 4, since you fitlile mo ka 5. But I have to eat. I have to eat. I have to go to the toilet. Like little kwata, and let's not reach the video shem. It's a live you're still gonna take those videos and say you are exposing us because you'll be feeling like haribereki. Or number 100 utlo jika. If you were about 22, like you, how I can just stand moto alwala or a bleeder when there's something that I can do. How so you're still gonna be frustrated at the wrong people. Ne? Just help us help you. Take care of yourself. Like if there's something that you can do that is within your power to avoid coming to the clinic or hospital, do it. Do it because you are going to be frustrated. We do not have enough resources, unfortunately, for everyone. Like it's bad. It's bad, guys. If you can avoid risky behaviors at home, avoid them. There's no need.